Hey everybody, today we're in Orland Park and we're doing a siding replacement. We're installing Variform Vortex Extreme in the Twilight Shadow color. The Twilight Shadow color is great for yellow brick on the front, red brick on the side, or if they decide to do a lime wash to make that brick white. It also works well with the Onyx Black shingles that we installed a couple years ago and the white gutters. It just really pops on this house. Now what had happened is there was a windstorm that came through and the tree fell on the electrical line and pulled the electrical mast away from the house. So what we had to do is reinforce that area. We installed all new insulation and house wrap, and then we're finishing it off here with this siding. Now if you'd like any more information or a free estimate on your roof or siding project, feel free to contact us at the information below. This is Josh Shingles with Lifetime Exteriors, and I'll see you on the next video.